Now that we have the SafeLogic Wi-Fi keypad connected to our actual safe, it's time that we're going to connect it to the SECURAM Guard app. Now go into your either App Store or Google Play Store and find SECURAM Guard. It'll have this icon right here. When you launch the app, it's going to tell you to sign in, so just go ahead and create an account. But when you do, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. It'll say My House. You'll see no devices are currently added, but we're going to go ahead and add this keypad to our app. So let's go ahead and press the plus button here. And you'll see here that there are different options you can choose from our different products that we have. For now, we're going to click on the Safe Locks, and you'll see on the bottom left corner, there is the SafeLogic Wi-Fi Smart. So I'll go ahead and click on this. So now you'll see here, it says enter the manager code. Press and hold the number 8 within 5 seconds after unlocking. 2 beeps will sound indicating the device is ready to pair. So right now my manager code is all ones. So I'll go ahead and do 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now I'll hold the number 8. Now you hear the 2 beeps. So we'll click next, and you'll see the device is seen here. We'll go ahead and click on it. Click on next. We'll choose our Wi-Fi options here. It says if your Wi-Fi is not selected on the Wi-Fi list, you can manually input it. So you have the option to manually input it, but for now, because ours shows up here on the top, I'll click next. You'll enter your Wi-Fi password here. Click next. And now we'll go through these 4 different steps here. And all of them show good. So we'll click next. And it says, success, congratulations on setting up your SafeLogic Wi-Fi Smart. Enter a name for your device. And so you can choose that and punch in any name you want, but we'll just leave it alone. Click next. Your device has been successfully added. So we'll press done. And now you'll see that our device shows up here on the main menu. So you'll press that item here, and you'll see that you have different options on this page. So right now, there is a big button up here that says unlock. You can actually remotely unlock it. Someone has to physically be at the keypad itself, and I'll show you how that works in just a moment. There's one-time access, so you can send a one-time code to this keypad to unlock it, and then after that code is used, it's no longer there. And it shows you the device history on this page here. You can tap for more, so you can see more of the history, and then you can tap for settings, and I'll show you what those are as well. So let's start by opening this remotely. So you're going to press this big unlock button right here, and it says, are you sure you want to unlock? You can either turn off confirmation, press no, or press yes. So I want to unlock, so I'll press yes. You're going to enter your lock's code. So you have 2 codes on here. Like I said, mine previously were all 1s and 1 through 6. So I'll type in 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then I'll press the check mark. And it says access without code. Do you want to save this code so you don't have to enter it every time you access this device? You can do that. You can change the settings later. But if you don't want to ask again, you can click that or no or yes. So I'll do no for now. So the command is being sent. So basically you have a minute to press this button and then press 5. So *5 on the entry pad to actually have it apply. And if the minute has elapsed and the star and 5 were not pressed, the changes will revert. So basically it'll stop sending that message saying, hey, unlock the door. So we'll press OK. So right now it's still pending. So within this minute, I'll go ahead and press the *5. And it unlocked the door. So someone does have to be in front of the keypad in order for this to work. You can't just remotely unlock it and have no one in front of it. But that's just confirmation. So when they are in front of it, they press the star and then 5, and then it unlocks. You also have an option to generate a one-time access code. This code will only be used once, and then after that, it is gone from the keypad. So we'll go ahead and press the key. It says below are your generated codes and relating information. So let's generate the code. You'll see here one has been generated. It is 785242. You can copy the code, or you can give it a name here, or you can send this code via email or mobile to someone. You can choose that here, but for now, let's leave it alone. We'll press done. And you'll see here now on this page, you'll see the code. And note that you have to press the star button before punching in the actual code. So let's go ahead and punch in that code now. *785-242. And now it unlocked. And it works. And when you go back to the one-time access code again, that code is now gone. So you cannot use that code anymore. So let's go ahead and look at the settings that are on this keypad. So let's tap for settings. You can see here you have history, so you can look at the different alerts that are there, or you can look at the history of this keypad. You can change the name of the keypad over here. You can change the room that this keypad is assigned to, but for now we can leave that alone. If you want an unlock confirmation or not, that's right here. You can toggle that on or off. You can toggle off the access without code option if you want to have the access of the keypad without having to punch in the code. There also is firmware version. You can click on that and see if your version is up to date or not. And the device info as well, which shows you all the information about this keypad, even the type of mode that it's in, so analog or digital. Thank you so much for checking out the video for our new SafeLogic Wi-Fi Safe Lock.